So guys, we are starting our new lecture series, data structure and algorithm in Python. So in this we are going to discuss arrays, hash tables, linked list, graphs, uh, trees, dynamic programming, sorting algorithm, and all the coding stuff we are going to do in Python. So let's get started. But before starting, I want you to subscribe to the Vouch Classes and like, share, and subscribe. So why it is required? So if I know a language like C, does or Python, does I further need to know data structure and algorithm to write a code or to solve a problem? So the answer is yes, because yes, you will able to write a code if you know a language, but that will not be a good code. So what is a good code? So a code is a good if it is a readable and scalable. So up to here, I know that yeah, I need to study data structure and algorithm, because without this I will not be able to write a good code. But further, what is a good code? So a good code is readable and scalable. So readable property we will discuss in the subsequent lectures. First of all, we discuss scalable property. So let's begin with the example. So let's consider a very simple example. There is a special exam is going on where students are asked to solve a problem. So but there is a special condition is given that there is a no time limit. You can take as much time you want. So what will happen? The three type of cases we get. First case is that first case is a class of student who are not able to get the answer, and even after taking so much time. Second class of student are able to get the answer, but they are taking long time. And third class of students are getting the answer as well as they are able to do it quickly. So what do you think, guys? Who are these three classes of people? If we create an analogy to our this problem to coding, we will see that the class of students who are not able to solve the answer or not get the correct output are those who don't know the languages, any languages. And second class of the student are those who know the language, like those who are taking a long time but getting the right answer, have knowledge of some language, but they don't know data structure and algorithm. So you are the people who are either will be on first class or second class, that you don't know any language, or you might know language but you don't know how the techniques to reduce the time. And third class of the students are those who will get the right answer as well as will do it in shorter time, are those who know the language and also know data structure and algorithm. So basically, summarizing all these things, is that yeah, we require data structure and algorithm to write a good code, and a good code is a code that is readable, that we will discuss in subsequent lectures, and scalable. So scalable is basically a time efficiency, that how much time we are taking to solve the problem, or our code is taking. Basically our code, how much time our code solves the problem. So we will discuss further the methods to reduce our time complexity of our these codes. So in further lectures we will describe a bigger concept and coding in Python. Don't worry guys, if you not able to understand something, in the next class you will be able to understand it.